Now that you're watching this video might be the 10th video or the 15th video, or the 20th video about LinkedIn, and all the videos are telling you how do you master LinkedIn. I am not going to tell you how do you master LinkedIn. Okay, I'm going to give you a simple rule. First is use my playlist to create your profile. Once your profile is done, it will take not more than 2 hours to figure out how to create a profile because I've given you all the ChatGPT prompts. Two, and this is the most important thing, go identify which are the companies that you where you want to work. Okay, now go on those particular companies and find out who are the recruiters, who are the HR professional, and who which is the department that you want to work. Once you have the list of people, start following them. Start every day commenting on all their posts. If they are posting once in a week or once in 3 days, ensure you comment. Once you comment, they will get a notification. They will notice you. Not just that. Imagine HR professional is posting, you comment on that particular post, they will notice. Not just they will notice, entire HR team will notice you. What is a better way to get noticed by recruiters? It's pretty simple logic, but the problem is most people find it difficult. Most people will think what I should comment, forget about what I should post. Sorry, what I want to tell you is think about commenting. Just 20 words of quality comment. That's it. That will solve everything. You might create a post using ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you to create post. I have given couple of tools in my channel that will help you to create free of charge post. But focus not on post, focus on commenting, focus on going on some company page, and if they're conducting a LinkedIn live, then go and comment over there, start networking with people. This is what will get you noticed to employers. Pretty simple thing, right? Do use it and subscribe to my channel, get interviews. I am your coach Moses Gomes, and I help you to get interviews.